Hey guys, so I have some slimes today. So I have some slimes today, and there are in this bag. So first slime is this one. Can you see how much glitter is in this? So we're just gonna open it up. So here it is. I'm going to be showing 3 slimes today, and more slimes tomorrow, so you should see how this looks. I think you guys can already see, but so here's the first swirl of the day. It's actually pretty good. Wow, I love this slime like so much. How to make the biggest swirls. Here's another one. Didn't do too good, but okay. Just gonna put this one back in the container. I like these containers better because they don't have to make fart sounds. One of these is gonna have to make fart sounds. So next is the earth slime. So here it is. This one is a butter slime. Boom. So beautiful. I love this slime. So nice, right? I just love this slime. It's butter slime. So I'm just gonna put this one away, but it also does stay in your hand, so. Next is this fluffy slime. I'm so happy for this one because I love this one. I'm shaking. Oof. I like the color. It's like yogurt. And look at that. That's how you tell it's butter slime. Because of the swirls or anything that has such good texture. This one's the best. Ooh, this is the last one for the day, but I really want to do one more. But that's pretty good. Good, I like this. Okay, we're just gonna put it back in the container. put them all back in the bag. And if you want this cute bag, you can get it at Justice. Here is their logo. So I get most of my clothes there. So have a good day. Probably this afternoon I'll probably have one more slime. Probably this weekend I'll have some more slimes because I'm going to Michael's and the dollar store, so I'll be trying what I got. Well, bye guys.